We need to explain the why and the how behind everything, all the components of the system, all the equipment, all the tools. We need to talk about the different bucket trucks. They have slightly different procedures and different bucket trucks. And we need to talk about everything so we understand. Here's how they work. The tool functionality is the tool makes contact with the X, the conductor, right here. The tool, the current begins to flow through the tool. It looks at that current, the tools do, whether you're phasing, whether you're looking at the potential. It looks at that current in relation to the ground plane. Always remember this, always. That's a wireless. If it's a corded tool, they work absolutely the same principle, but instead of going through the air, the current through the air, guess what? That current is flowing through the tool, the cord of the tool, in relation to the ground plane. Y'all see that? You get that, young Simon? Okay? All right? So it's the same principle exactly. It's just you have air or cord. That's the medium.